Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Today is Friday and it's the 4th day of my RSG Landscaping and Lawn Care internship, and today I'm working with one of our pruning crews led by Eduardo along with David and Jose. So here is the truck that the crew uses. It's a Ford F450 diesel crew cab with I think a 10-foot dump bed. Here's all the trimmings we've collected thus far and some of the equipment we use. We have a MS271 chainsaw. We have 2 of these HL94 extended hedge trimmers, pole pruner. We have some hedge shears. We have rakes and shovels and other things over there too. But yeah, we're working at a financial company complex. There's several different buildings, and today I've helped them do, this is building number 2, 2.5. Way to do 3.5 buildings today, so we've got another building to do after this. Caught some footage on the GoPro earlier, think it's pretty cool. I'm going to take the bigger camera out now, this one, and show you guys some high-def stuff of what we've been doing. We're on a break right now, but like I said guys, we've been trimming lots. But I'm enjoying this so far. It's nice to get to know Richmond. I'm from the Northern Virginia, DC area originally, so getting to see another city for the summer is actually kind of fun. Alright guys, we're at the final building. This big office park that we're in, it's like 5 buildings in here, so it's a pretty big complex, but this is what we have amassed thus far. Got another one to do. What's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Just got back to the yard. Quick time. It's Friday. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. I knew I was gonna get you on camera.
Oh my god.
This is Eduardo.
This is Eduardo, yes. We finished today.
Yeah, we finished Gentworth.
Let's go home. Take the bed.